Hey guys, welcome back to Hoser Garage.
We're here again with the S10 tire burn build. Our plan for right now is to get the front suspension on, the wheels on the ground, and maybe push it around, make vroom vroom noises. So we're installing the driver's front suspension. Before we put the two control arms and the knuckle in, we have these shims that go in here that control the camber. When I took them off, I marked them so I know exactly where they go in. So hopefully my camber's perfect. I mean, it drove straight and didn't have any camber issues before, but with the new weight of the engine, I'm probably still going to get it aligned later down the road.
Boom. It even seems like it was meant to be.
I'm going to slide that under it. Push the center as you can do. Start jacking. Keep going.
Okay, so we got both sides of the suspension and it was a lot easier than we thought it was going to be. You saw we did the one side on camera, we did the other side off camera. We didn't need to show you it twice. So Aubrey's just working on getting the shocks tightened up, and then after that we're going to actually try and bolt up the steering box and all the steering components there. So we'll just catch you there.
Alright, so we got the suspension on. Easy part, put some pads in the caliper and throw the caliper on the rotor. I'm going to have to jimmy it a little bit. So we just finished putting the suspension on. We got our tires and brake pads back in, and we could theoretically have the vehicle sitting on the ground, but we just find it's easier to get under and do all the small minor details that's still in the air. But it's nice to be back on its own shoes.
Okay, guys, that about does it for today's episode. Like, comment, subscribe, share it to your friends. Peace out, hosers.